Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're going to be working in Hudson, Florida. We're here for a returning customer. I think me and EJ did this house about, give or take, a year and a half ago. We're here to do the driveway, sidewalks, and also she wants to add on the fence in the back, a little small vinyl fence. Short one, not the tall ones. From the looks of it, doesn't look like it's really dirty, so we're probably just going to use a downstream mix to clean this up. She's on the corner lot, but she doesn't have the sidewalk on the side, so should be pretty quick. Oh yeah, outside don't look bad, the inside does. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the outside of the fence. Like I said, you see it's not that dirty at all. Outside here, not bad. The inside definitely has some green. You got some green going here. I think the downstream mix should be able to get this off. Doesn't look like it's too thick. Kind of dewy out here, so you can see that it's coming off. You know, with just that. I'm gonna clean all this area here. So this other side got a little bit of stuff, not too much. I'll go ahead and I'll probably just go ahead and probably do the fence first. Work from the back to the front, so it's easy to manage the hoses. So we're gonna use the Mondo 31-inch surface cleaner to do the driveway, which you see the driveway here. It's not terrible, it's starting to grow some stuff. It's been a year and a half. You can't really tell to the naked eye. It looks like it's not that bad, but once I start cleaning, you'll see a big layer of dirt come up. So yeah, if you haven't yet, guys, subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you got questions. Drop them in the comment section. I answer all my questions. Y'all stay tuned. And like I said, we're gonna start working from the back to the front. Let's go.
Here we go, yo.
We'll go ahead and get started on this fence. Put this mix on here. So everything has been soaked up. We're gonna let it sit and dwell for a little bit. Let it do its thing. Come back and give it a rinse. Should come off easy since it wasn't that bad. Starting early in the morning. I wanted to start at 8:30. Right now it's at 9:23. So we're gonna give it about maybe 2-3 more minutes to dwell, and then we'll start rinsing everything off. Alright, we're gonna get started on the driveway. I just blew everything off that was on there. You guys can see what it looks like now. Like I said, it don't look that bad, but when I start cleaning it, you'll be able to see. All right, we got everything done. Let's check it out. We'll look at the fence first. Early right now, just hit 10 o'clock. Got one more for the day. The fence here. Inside was really bad. Let's see, that's all clean. Sir. Check out that driveway. Made quick work of that. Driveway here cleaned up. Sidewalks clean, curbs clean. Yes, sir. That's what we want right here. I hit it with a little bit of post treatment as well. I'm gonna give it that extra nice shine. I'm gonna collect that check, guys. I'll see y'all at the next job. All right, y'all, we at the second job for the day. Right now we're in Lutz, Florida, which is about 30 minutes from where I was. We're here for a full screen cleaning. This house is gonna go on the market. They wanna get it cleaned up. It's not a lot of algae on here. Mostly, I'm pretty sure they call me because they got all this pine needles and stuff up there, which I hate doing because it's a very, very tedious job. I already warned the customer. I'll try to get as much as I can off the screen, but I won't get every single piece off, because I mean, you'll be here all day trying to chase pine needles that fly from one screen to the other. We got some big chunks up there that I can clean off and make it look, you know, presentable, but to expect every single piece to come off, nah, not me. At least I let them know. So we're gonna show you guys what we got going on. I'm gonna use the 12 GPM pressure washer because it has more flow, with probably a shooter tip to knock everything off. So let's go check it out. You guys can see here a lot of debris all across the top of the screen, man. It's a mess. Usually I go up top and I spray it from the top. It's easier, but these tiles on this roof are pretty old, and they're thin tiles. They're very thin, and I don't want to risk walking up there and breaking any tiles. So that's the only reason I didn't go up there. If it was a shingle roof, I'd have went up there and just like blew everything off the top, and then you know, come back in here and touch up whatever that was left. So we're gonna use the shooter tip, like I said, knock everything off and get it looking better, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, well, that was fun. You got, I would say, at least 90-something% off. I mean, look at this. Looks much better. There's a few spots that's got stuff in it, but like I said, can't get it all. And it's crazy, as I'm cleaning, I'm watching stuff falling from the tree right on the top of the cage and blowing off from the roof onto the cage after I got done cleaning it. But the customer saw it before she left. She just left and paid me. You know, she loves it. She's gonna have me come back and do the pool deck. I'm gonna send in my boy John to do the screens, because there's a few screens that got holes in them from the hurricane. Some of the lands fell on the tree, so fell on the screen. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. I'm gonna tighten up this area a little bit here. I may have to go up there because I can't get that stuff out of there. All the stuff that was over here on this side I got off. So I'm gonna just get that area over there, and then that'll be good for over here, man. I'm loving it. All right, now we're looking much better. Went up there and got that stuff off. That roof feels sketchy, very sketchy, man. If I had to clean this one, I probably would have passed up on it because it's the tiles are super thin and they're sliding all over the place. So no, I'm good on that. But yeah, she's looking pretty good. I just got a call for an estimate. I'm gonna go over there and see if I can book it. And if I do, I'll go ahead and do the job for you guys. Just stay tuned.